Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the user code on your Zowill Door Lock in 2026. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply have your master code ready. So this is the administrator code that is used to access the programming functions on the lock. So first of all, you need to start by pressing this Zowill button. After doing so, you need to start entering your master code on the keypad. Now, once you are done adding your master code on the keypad, you just have to simply press the Zowill button again. Now, if your master code is accepted by the lock, you are going to see this Zowill button flashing green, indicating that the lock is now ready for programming. Now, once that is done, you just have to simply press 2 on the keypad. Now, after pressing 2, the menu option is basically opened, that is used for adding the new user code to the lock. So now you need to simply start entering the new user code that you want to set. It can be between 4 to 10 digits. After entering that particular code that you want to set, you just have to simply enter the same code once again. And if both the entries matches, the lock will flash green and the code is going to also saved successfully. So this confirmation step is going to help prevent any kind of mistakes during programming. So when you are done, you can just simply test the new added code. So you can lock the door with the help of it. You can enter the new user code and see if that is now working. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.